Today I'm going to show you how I built this wavy American flag. I have 13 2x4s and I'll start off by cutting each end square. Using a straight edge, I'll square all my boards up and then I'll clamp them all down. I'll go to the table saw and I'll cut everything down to size. I'll put my piece in bar clamps to hold it together, and then I'll use a pencil and I'll draw out where I'm going to mark my waves. I put a sanding disc on my grinder and then I'll sand out the waves. I like to use my leaf blower to get rid of all the dust. Just make sure you're wearing a dust mask. And that's after the sanding. Would you just look at it? Now using the sander, I'll sand all the rough edges down using 120 grit sandpaper. To make the union, I'll place my stencil down and then I'll put a piece of tape down to mark it. Using a utility knife, I'll mark a line along that tape to mark out where the stencil will be. I'll apply a pre-stained wood conditioner just to give it an even stain. I'll put my tape back down and then using this navy blue by Minwax, I'll paint the union. I won't paint all the way to the bottom, and then I'll loosen the bar clamp so I can take all the other pieces out, and then I'll finish staining it. And since I got a little excess stain, I'll use this chisel and I'll lightly clean up the edges. Using a crimson red, I'll stain my red stripes. And here is the crimson red paint code. And again, taping off each piece individually. I'll tape off the blue so I don't get any overstain on it. And using Titebond 2, I'll glue all the pieces together. And I like to use scrap pieces of wood when I do a glue up so I don't leave marks from the clamp. And since I got a little glue squeeze out, I'll just use a damp rag and clean that up. After letting the glue sit up overnight, I'll take it out of the clamps. And now for the fun part, I'll tape everything off so I can spray paint my stars on. I put cardboard down so I don't get any overspray on the rest of my flag. Now we'll peel everything off and see how she looks. Oh, would you just look at it. And to finish it off, I'll use 3 coats of this polyurethane clear gloss. So that's how I made this wavy American flag. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for a part 2 of this American flag build. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.